Hello. Today I'm going to be covering a Zippo hack I just found out about. Make the flames super big. It's really cool. Now, you're going to notice that there are a lot of circles around right here on the Zippo. These aren't just to let oxygen get to the fire. They're actually settings. There are little sensors in each of them. Picks up an object when it goes into it, changes the settings. Now to just make the flame super big, you just want to take your object, stick it in the hole right here. There you go. You just set your Zippo settings. Now, all it's left to do, strike it.